What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you're going to see how to make Instagram highlights. So to do that, I'm heading over to the Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then just go to the three lines on the top right, and in here go to the archive option. Now check mark to stories archive, and here you will find the stories from your account that you have previously posted. So head over to any story that you want to make highlight on. Tap on highlight on the lower right corner. Now name this highlight. Tap on add, and the highlight is added. If we go back, here I'm refreshing my feed. As you can see, my highlight is created. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it too. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.